So you know what no one been missing from Google recent smartphone lineup? Gimmicks. Remember the Solidator? Exactly. So with that in mind, it will definitely please you here today. The upcoming Google Pixel 8 Pro is now set to feature an infrared thermometer on the back, housed right under the circular LED flash inside the camera bump. The thermometer will surprisingly be able to measure your body temperature. The sensor is apparently smaller to what most contactless thermometer use that should drum up great memories from pandemic. To use a Pixel 8 Pro thermometer sensor, you need to bring it as close as possible to your forehead without letting it touch your skin. Then you simply tap the start button and move the phone toward your temple. Within 5 seconds. The phone vibrates when the temperature measurement is complete. How easy to use is this when considering the fact that the screen is on the other side of the phone? This earth-shattering new feature will only be able on the Pro model, by the way, so don't think about skipping cache and going for the Retina Pixel 8. For mobile phone processor, most manufacturers choose TSMC as a OEM and Google is a real exception. So in recent years, it has been using Samsung Advanced Process as a OEM. The Tensor G2 of the Pixel 7 series uses Samsung 5nm process. And this year Pixel 8 series is also cooperated with Samsung and uses Google Tensor G3 3nm technology. Tensor G3 should be the first generation of 3nm GAE process. So the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to unveil alongside the Pixel 8 in October 2023. The Pixel 8 Pro screen is reportedly going to be smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro at 6.52 inches. And it is said to use Samsung's biggest OCL GN2 sensor for its main camera. So take care.